Okay, so let's look at chapter 1H, 1B. So in this one, the parent function of that whole thing is y equals root x. So good points to use with that would be 0, 0, 1, 1. Let's go 4, 2, and 9, 3. Okay, now the first thing that I do to the x is I add 2 to my x terms. So that's the same thing as translating to the left 2 units. So if I translate to the left 2 units, that's the same thing as taking these x values and subtracting 2 from all of them. So this is going to become negative 2, 0. And if you want to think about it, if I plugged in negative 2, then that makes this 0, which is the same thing as when that was 0. So I should get the same y value as over here. Translate left 2 units from this point. That's going to be negative 1, 1. Translate 2 units left there, 2, 2. Translate 2 units left here, 7, 3. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is throw a negative 4 in front. If you wanted, you could just do times 4 first and then flip everything because it's negative. But let's just do negative 4 all at once. So this is the same thing as a vertical stretch by 4 and then flipping it over the x-axis. So that all amounts to basically multiply my y values by negative 4. So this one is going to turn into negative 2, and then that's still 0. This one is going to turn into negative 1, negative 4, because I'm multiplying the y's by 4. This will turn into 2, negative 8. And this will turn into 7, negative 12. And then there's one step left, and that's to deal with this 3 in front. So that's the same thing as saying I'm going to add 3 to what I had before. So if I add 3 to all these things, that's the same as translating up by 3 units. So if I move up 3 units, that's the same as adding 3 to the y's. So this is going to be negative 2, 3. This is going to be negative 1, negative 1. This will be 2, negative 5. And this will be 7, negative 9. Okay, so if I plot these, let me shrink this down. I want to plot these final points here. So negative 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, negative 1 right here. 2, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 would be down here. And it won't write. There we go. Now 0, 0 was the starting point, and on root x, that's the end point, and then it goes like this. Well, that eventually turned into negative 2, 3, so that's this point. So that's my starting point, and the function looks like this.